Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the green shadow from Plants vs. Zombies. Let's get started on the right side of the page with the mouth. So we're going to draw a large oval, but we're going to leave an open gap on the left side. So let's start just on the left side here. Start by drawing that oval, going up towards the top. Round this out. And we'll pull that up on the inside. Now again, leaving that gap on the inside. We're going to step in and draw a smaller oval on the inside. Starting from the top, work our way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. We're going to draw the inside edge of the mouth. From the top, I'm going to curve out towards the right, and then back towards the left. Let's go in and fill this inside area in black. Now that we've drawn in the mouth, let's draw the right side eye. So on the top left side of the mouth, I'm going to curve out and then up towards the top of the eye. I'm going to round this out and then just pull that back in towards this line, just above the mouth. Round this out and then pull that back in. Along the top, I'm just going to thicken up the eyelid. Starting from the inside, I'm going to curve out and then up. We'll fill that top area in black. Now we're going to push the pupil towards the inside. Starting from the top underneath the eyelid, I'm going to curve out and then pull that back in. Along the top, I'm going to draw a small circle for a highlight. Now I'm going to fill that outer area of the pupil in black. Now from the top of the eye, I'm going to curve over towards the center of the hood. So just drawing a curve going up and then over towards the left. I'm going to finish off the bottom side of the face. So continue this curve underneath the eye. I'm just going to curve in the opposite direction underneath the mouth. Now going back to the top, we're going to draw the inside edge of the hood. So from here, we're just going to flop it down. Come down, go out towards the left. We're going to round this out and pull that up and in behind the mouth. Now let's add a leaf in the center of the forehead. Starting from the top, I'm going to curve out towards the right and then back over towards the left. So large curve going out. Now I'm just going to hook that back towards the left. I'm going to wave this back in behind the inside edge of the hood. Curving up, over towards the left. Now we're just going to pull that up underneath the hood. Let's draw the veins of the leaf. Starting from the center, curve over, and then down. I'm going to add a few stems, coming down towards the left, and then down towards the right. And again, we're going to move down the stem, come down towards the left, and then down towards the right. Now we're going to tuck the left eye in underneath the leaf. So we're going to start on the outside, curve up, in behind the leaf. Now I'm going to continue that curve coming down. Now we're going to start on the left side again. We're going to curve in the opposite direction, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, and we'll pull that back up. Now I'm going to go in and thicken up the top eyelid. On the corner, we're going to step down. I'm just going to taper this, curving up, in behind the leaf. Now I'm just going to pull this down on the inside. Let's fill that eyelash in black. Now I'm going to tuck an oval in underneath the eyelid for the pupil. Starting from the left side, curve down, leave a little gap underneath the eye. Now we're going to pull that back up. On the top right, I'm going to add a small circle for a highlight. Now I'm going to fill the pupil in black. Let's add the bottom edge of the mask. Starting from the left side, I'm going to curve down underneath the eye. We're going to curve it down and out. And I'm going to go up in between the eye and the mouth over towards the nose bridge. Coming across, and go in between the eye and the mouth. I'm going to curve this over. Now going back to the right, I want to draw the inside edge of the hood. Starting from the top, I'm going to taper this curve going out around the eye. I'm just going to pull that down towards the top of the mouth. We're going to fill that inside area in black. Now we're going to go in and draw on the outside of the hood. So taking that inside curve, we're going to step out and just duplicate that, going around and down towards the left. Just going to go around the inside edge of the hood, just following that same curve. And we're just going to pull this down towards the left side. Let's draw the tip of the hood. I'm going to round this out. and then just pull that back in. I'm going to draw a little bit of an overlap. Stepping out, and come down and out towards the left. We're going to round this out and pull this in underneath the chin. Just blend into a curve, going around the bottom of the chin, and we'll just pull that up. Now I'm going to draw a circle tucked in underneath the chin for the medallion. Starting at the bottom here, we're going to curve out, round this out, and then pull that in underneath the chin. Now I just want to trace this out on the inside. Leave an even space gap all the way around. Now we're going to add the leaf symbol. Starting from the top, we're going to step down, curve down and out towards the left. I'm just going to pull that in towards the center. Now I'm going to go back to the top and just draw the opposite. Coming down and out towards the right, round it out, and then pull that in towards the middle. In the center, I'm going to draw a straight line going up, and on either side, we'll draw an angled line for the vein of the leaf. Now I'm going to draw the edge of the cape in behind the medallion. Starting on the left, I'm going to curve down, in behind the medallion, I'm going to continue up underneath the mouth. Now let's draw the cape over on the left side. Starting from this point, we're going to curve out, down, and I'm just going to pull that out again towards the left. We're going to round out the bottom, curving down and up. I'm going to follow that same curve going up underneath the collar. Going up, and curving that back in. About halfway between these 2 points, I'm going to draw a curve for a wrinkle. Now from behind the medallion, we're going to draw the arms. The arm on the left is going to go in behind the cape. Starting on the side, we're going to curve out and then down. Line this up on the right side, curve out and then down towards the right. I'm going to flatten off the end. I'm going to curve up. Now we're going to pull this in behind the medallion. Curving across. Now halfway across the arm, I just want to draw the center seam of the arm, curving across. Now we're going to move in and draw the body. From the inside of the arm, I'm going to come down and then pull that out towards the left. Underneath the medallion, I'm going to come down and then out towards the right. Now we're going to overlap 2 leaves on top of the body. So from this point, we're going to step out, curve in over that line, and then down towards the center. Now from that same point, I'm going to curve up, in towards the right side of the body, and then just hook that back down. We draw an overlap, stepping up, curve down, and out towards the right. Now we're going to flick this out towards the right. Let's come back in towards the bottom of the leaf. Coming across, we're going to pull that up, and we're going to round this out on the inside. Now we're going to move over and draw the inside edge on the left side. Starting up here, we're going to curve up, down, and then out towards the left. Now I'm going to curve this up underneath the cape, coming up. From that center point, I'm just going to curve over towards the left, tuck this in behind, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now the last thing we're going to add is the inside of the cape on the right side. So underneath the arm, I'm going to curve down and out towards the right. Now I'm going to curve it back in behind the body, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the green shadow from Plants vs. Zombies. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.